So I'm now here to get my nails done. I'm so excited. I don't usually get my nails done, so whenever I go on vacation, that's my little reward for myself. But right now my nails are so freaking healthy. Look at them. I'm gonna be sad because whenever I get acrylics, they get messed up. Whatever. Since I am going for the Disney sweetheart vibe, Valentine vibe, this is gonna be what I'm gonna be getting. Look at how cute they are. I'm so excited. I always get French tip, but pink French tip is something else. And lately I've been in my girly girl era, to be honest. I kind of grew up tomboyish, so I feel like I'm just so over it. So I want everything pink. Literally, I told everyone I don't care what I get for Christmas as long as it's pink. My suegra got me this, my little familia peluche vibes, and then my boyfriend got me my little cute purse. But anyways, I'm kind of late and I'm already here, so I'm gonna go. Here are my nails. Look at how cute they are. You probably can't see from that clip, but I added a better clip on there. But look at the time. It is 4. Why can't you see? It is 4:07 and my appointment was at 1. So it took her 3 hours to do my nails. She was getting annoyed with me too. She was just like, she put on some crystals, I don't know how to say it, some bedazzles that were a little too big. I knew I had to speak up because if I don't speak up, then I'm not gonna like my nails. And I just said, they're a little too big. And she was like, oh, so you want me to remove them? And I'm like, yes. I mean, they were just from one finger, so she had to remove all of them from one finger. Whatever, they were so cute. But my fingers went through it. If you guys see the clip, I have like cuts all over my fingers. That honestly really hurt. My other nail tech does not do that, but she has school, so that's why I have to tell her ahead of time because she doesn't have that much availability. I did procrastinate and I forgot about doing my nails. I low-key didn't really want to do my nails. I was kind of like, I can just use my natural nails, I'll do them myself. But then I saw this design and I was like, no, I want those. So whatever, my hands are in pain, but it's worth it. Now we're gonna go home and pack. I'm gonna pack 2 days before, which is a miracle for me. I don't pack until like a couple hours till I have to be at the airport, which is horrible. I don't know why I do that. New year, new me. Anyways, I'll see you guys at my house. I honestly, I don't know why I do this to myself all the time. This was the whole point of me filming this video, so that I wouldn't procrastinate and this video would encourage me to do everything beforehand. And now I leave tomorrow. My cat always, you see me? You see her, literally. Let me go down. Let me put her down. I love her, but I'm a little busy. So I leave tomorrow at 12. Well, I have to be at the airport at 10. So basically I have to get everything done by today. I think my thought process is that I want everything done last minute, so everything is nice and freshly did. So like, I just did my nails, so they're not grown out at all. I did take my everything shower, that's why I'm in my robe. I shaved everything. I shaved my legs, my arms, my, you know, stomach. If you're Mexican, if you're Latina, you know. I also saw a lot of people in the comments. I guess a lot of us, not just Latinas, go through it. But anyways, the only things I have left to do is pack and do my eyebrows. But anyways, the first thing we're gonna do is start packing, because that's the most important thing. I want to have everything ready so after class I come back and then I just leave my house. That's gonna be a little stressful. Now that I see it, I might have to cancel class, but I don't want to, because then I have to do homework and it's just easier to go to class than to do the homework online. But anyways, let's begin. So I have a bit of a problem when it comes to traveling. I always feel like I have to buy a whole new wardrobe. Like, I always feel like I'm missing something for my trip. So I went on a mini online shopping spree and I spent $300. The whole reason I went shopping on Opoly, that's where I got my clothes, was because I saw they were promoting a student code and I was like, what? I'm a student, I can use this code. I checked out and I forgot to add the code. I think because the checkout was so fast. It was through iShop, if you guys know. They already have all your information, so it's like all your information's in. You just have to click one time and the order goes through. So I think because that process was so fast, I forgot to add the code, so I didn't save money. But anyways, I got really scared because they lost my tracking number. But guess what, guys? It came in. I'm so happy. I was really thinking I was gonna return everything, so I'm gonna try everything on. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. This is the outfit I've been most excited for, and this is her. So cute. I got the top in a small and I'm like a 34C in a bra size for reference. And then I got the leggings in a medium. I'm usually a small in like leggings, or in pants I'm like a 6. And I really want to do all that touristy stuff. I want to go on the hike, see the Hollywood sign. Anyways, this is her. I put my hair up for this one, but it's super cute. Look at the back. The thing is, it feels so uncomfortable. You can't move your arms. I can't even put my hair up. I had to take it off to put my hair up. For me, comfort is like one of my most important things when I go out. So maybe I have to pull it up a little bit more higher for it to like fit better. Oh yeah, okay. There you go. Okay, now it's on better. I like really like how it shapes you and everything. We'll see. Because I don't know, I don't really see myself wearing this. It's very uncomfortable. But I mean, beauty's pain, am I right? I'm gonna go ask my mom and see what she thinks. So this one has the same vibe as the jumpsuit. But I feel like this one, I'm like way more comfortable. I can move my hands. Oh my god, I feel like you guys can see me nipping because I'm cold. But they have like the same vibe, but different vibe at the same time. I've decided I'm gonna be returning the brown pants and this dress. I didn't even show you guys because there's no point. It didn't even fit me. I'm just gonna be returning those, but I'm so cold. My hands have been getting so cold lately. Now my mom having to take out my luggage for me from the closet because everything was piled on top of it and my nails hurt. She just cut way too close to my cuticles and they hurt right now. So I was like, Mom, please help me. And she's like, where are you even going? Not her not even knowing where I'm going. And I was like, LA, Los Angeles. She's like, tell me why I found out from your YouTube video. And not even you. I did tell her. But I feel like I just told her like slightly like, oh yeah, I'm going. But I always do this. Like I always forget that I'm going somewhere. Like I even told my little sister, hey, we're gonna hang out Friday, okay? And then my boyfriend was like, how if you're gonna be in LA? And I'm like, how do I forget? How do I forget? Because I had a very strict dad. He never used to let me go anywhere, not to prom, not to Tolo. I only went to one school dance. So whenever there was like a big event going on, I was like, forget about it. I'm not going. I'm not even gonna be able to go. So like, why even think about it? And I wouldn't even know until like people posted about it. And I'm like, oh yeah, prom was today. Wow. So now I do that to every event, which is not good at all because that's probably why I procrastinate all the time. But you know what? Right now we're gonna start packing. I told myself I was gonna start packing a couple days before, but at least it's one day before instead of a couple hours before my flight because I always do that. I talked about this in my other vlog. I think I was going to Tulum. I went to Thailand when I was 19. I went with a big empty luggage, but it was nice because I brought back a lot of things. I just had like, I packed no underwear because I like washed so last minute and our flight was like at 4 a.m. so we had to be there at 2 a.m. and like all my clothes were still wet. Luckily all my clothes is clean now, but it's fresh out the dryer, so actually I have to go get it. So this is all my clean clothes. To be honest, I'm only going to be taking this jacket and all my calzones and my socks. So that's pretty much why I washed all of this. Oh, and this cute little Victoria's Secret sleepwear thing. So cute. I don't know where the shorts are, but I got the set for Christmas. I was shopping for my sister, but I shopped for myself as well. So I'm going to fold all of this and then I'm going to start packing everything. Look at my cat. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna start packing. A little disclaimer, always wash your clothes when you first get it. I think we all know that. This time around, because I'm such a procrastinator and I do not have time to put in one more wash, I'm just gonna do it like this. And honestly, I'm kind of scared to wash them because what if they shrink or something like that? I'll put them in one wash, but should I? I think I'm gonna wash it. I'm just, I don't know what it is. I just want to wait for everything to be together for me to pack. So that being said, because I'm gonna be washing these and this is not gonna be in my luggage and these are the things that I'm gonna be bringing with me, it discourages me to pack anything else. I think that's why I can't pack days before. I think that's something else I have to change my mindset with, is I don't need everything. As long as like 80% of things are packed, then I'm good. So I'll just put this in the washer. Can you guys tell this is my favorite jacket? But right now I'm gonna head to the mall because I have to go get my eyebrows done. That's literally the only reason why I really want to go. Like, ASAP right now. So I'm gonna see what time they close because I do have to go to Nordstrom. I have to go pick up some jeans that I sent to Alter since I thought I wasn't gonna get the Princess Polly package on time. I just like thought I had to buy anything, but actually I wanted really cute jeans for Disney. It's like cute jeans really elevate your outfit, and especially because I want to just wear like a cute pink Disney hoodie that I'm gonna get over there, and then with a cute pair of jeans. But anyways, I need to go pick up my jeans and I have to go get my eyebrows done, and I wanted to go see if I can find any like sunglasses. Anyways, let's go. So I just got back. I'm so tired. It's 10 p.m. and I have to go to sleep at 11 so I can wake up at like 7 for my class. Anyways, let me show you guys what I got. So I stopped by Walmart and got some few essentials. I just got some toothbrushes. I got some razors that are like covered so I can just pack them in. And then some floss. I've been needing floss. That's it for what I got from Walmart. Then I went to Urban Outfitters and I got the shirt. I've been watching Ruby lately. It's on YouTube if you guys want to go watch that. That telenovela is basically like it's a classic about a girl who's very beautiful, but she uses her beauty to con men. Like now that I'm looking at it, she's like about to steal her best friend's husband, whose best friend is very rich, but she's very poor. She wants that rich life, so she's gonna steal it from her really rich friend, which now I'm like, I don't know if I want to continue watching this. But watching it, I saw that she was wearing like a shirt like this with low-rise jeans. Hopefully I can wear that in LA. I'm not sure. I don't think it's that hot. And then I got these glasses. They're so cute. This was the whole point why I went to the mall, for some new sunnies. Look how cute they are. But anyways, I'm gonna start packing. I was supposed to start doing that before I went to the mall, but then I went to go see a house because we're moving, and that just took a lot of my time. Anyways, let's pack. Into 111. Wow, angel numbers. I mean, that's probably a sign to never do this again. I'm kind of done packing. I'm just waiting for the clothes to dry and then I'm gonna be done. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I enjoyed this little montage.